Hi everyone, I Willis Remark, and I want to share something that has truly given me a part of my life back. For years I felt like the world around me was slowly being muffled. It started subtly. I'd find myself constantly asking people to repeat themselves, turning up the TV volume louder and louder, and struggling to follow conversations in noisy restaurants. But then a constant high-pitched ringing started in my ears, and it never stopped. This tinnitus was maddening. It made it hard to focus during the day and nearly impossible to fall asleep at night. I felt isolated and deeply frustrated, worried that my world was shrinking and that I was losing my connection to the people and sounds I loved. That's when a friend told me about Audifort. It's not a hearing aid or a drug. It's a natural liquid drop supplement designed to support auditory health from the inside out. The science behind it was fascinating. The creators explained that many hearing issues, including tinnitus, are linked to inflammation in the auditory pathways and poor communication between the ears and the brain. Audifort works by using a powerful blend of plant-based ingredients to address these root causes. It contains ingredients like grapeseed extract and green tea, which are packed with antioxidants that protect the delicate hair cells in the inner ear from damage. It also has maca root and Gymnema sylvestre to help improve blood circulation to the ears, ensuring they get the nutrients and oxygen they need to function optimally. I started taking the drops every day, and the change was gradual but profound. After a few weeks, I noticed the relentless ringing in my ears was becoming less intense. It wasn't as loud, and there were moments of blessed quiet. As I continued, I found that I was hearing things with more clarity. I could distinguish words in a conversation more easily, and the world just sounded sharper. The constant strain of trying to hear began to lift, and I felt more relaxed and less anxious. It was an incredible feeling to be able to enjoy the simple sounds of life again, the birds singing, the laughter of my family, without the constant distraction of tinnitus. Audifort didn't just quiet the noise, it helped me tune back into my life. If you are struggling with tinnitus or feel like your hearing is declining, I urge you to consider this. Audifort works by nourishing your auditory system and reducing the underlying inflammation and oxidative stress that cause damage. It is made with all natural ingredients in an FDA-approved, GMP-certified facility, so you can be completely confident in its safety and purity. The creators are so sure that it will make a difference in your life that they back every purchase with a full money-back guarantee. You can try it for yourself, and if you don't experience a noticeable improvement, you can get a complete refund. To ensure you're getting the authentic Audifort formula, you must order from their official website. Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment to start your journey back to a world of clear, peaceful sound.